Hello, welcome to Nicky-Tech Tutorials. My name is Nick Brian, and today I'm going to show you how to make your phone features like this. My phone has from right to left features without any app or any software. Yeah, let me show you some examples. All my features have moved to right to left features. Yes, as you can see now, it's on right to left now. Let's try another one. Yeah, everything has moved to left. You can do it, and it's very easy without any software. Let's get started. Okay. Okay, welcome back. Let's get in. First of all, you have to enable your developer options in your settings menu. Let me show you. Go to settings, scroll down to about phone. If you don't see this option here, just click about phone and scroll down to build a number. You tap it on 7 times until they say no, you are now a developer. Okay, you go back and you see the option here. Click on it, scroll down, scroll down to this section. Force RTL layout direction. Then you switch it on. You wait for some few seconds and you are done. Okay, that's how you can do it. It's right to left features. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it has moved from right to left, and all apps here, as you can see. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye.